Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. And we are looking at a stylish wearable today. We are looking at the Huawei Watch Fit 2. We'll be unboxing this and looking at what it can do in terms of smart stuff, health tracking, and even fitness tracking. Right, let's get to the unboxing. Huawei Watch Fit 2, and this is powered by Harmony OS. Now, there is a pink version of this watch, and I didn't get that, but this is the moon white version, and it comes with a white leather strap. Those straps though. Okay, you guys know I am super into the pink wearables, but this just really looks good. Let's see what else is in the box first. Charging cord, and that is it. I am so excited for this. It says genuine leather. Look at how nice and premium those straps look. Honestly, I'm at the leather loving phase of my life, so I'm pretty happy with this. This watch has a good weight to it, so it doesn't feel plasticky. It feels very premium. On the back, contact for charging. And then these are replaceable straps too, so if you got the leather version but maybe you feel like you want to put on a different strap for workouts, all you need to do is switch them out like so. Also, this looks like a standard strap, so I feel like you won't have trouble finding strap replacements for this. You have the sensors, you have a speaker, and this has a mic in here somewhere as well. You also have one button on your right, and it's very faint, but it's sort of has a rosy tinge to the body. It's not like full on yellow, but I feel like it'll still match if you're wearing gold jewelry. Right, let's turn it on, and in the meantime, let me set this up, and you know what's coming? A montage. The overall look for the Huawei Watch Fit 2 is good. I'm not surprised. Huawei wearables have always been great when it comes to how their watches look. This wearable can match your non-sporty, more casual outfits, and even a little bit more dressy event PDs. I especially love the straps on this. They look really nice and premium. Yes, the straps are wide, but it's the type of strap that ages well. And after a week's worth of never taking it off, it still looks good. So there are other versions and looks of this watch. There's the Active Edition for the more sporty and on the go. There's the Classic Edition that comes in silver and gold mesh straps. And the Elegant Edition, the white one of which is what we're checking out in this video. I like that. I like the variety in looks. When I put this watch on for the first time, my impression was that it had a great big screen and navigation on it was a breeze. And speaking of that screen, customizable watch faces. There are a number of cute ones you can change around depending on your mood or outfit. So pairing on this was a breeze, and this thing works with iOS and other Android phones you can download Huawei Health on. So now that your watch is connected, once you go to Huawei Health, first you'll get all your health details, and you can get like very specific info from here. So for example, all your sleep data up until a year, you have SpO2 levels, you have stress levels throughout the day, week, month, or year. You have heart data, so you can look at your yearly graph, monthly, weekly as well. You have your cycle calendar. Always great to see this feature on wearables. Healthy living, which is, wait, what is this? Ooh, it's a health plan. You have exercise records, and oh my god, these are from like last year. There's also skin temperature, pretty useful in today's times. And of course, you could edit around all these widgets. You have exercise data here, outdoor run. Ooh, there's an AI running plan. Maybe this is something we'll test out. Maybe, let me know what you guys think. So you have outdoor, indoor, walk, cycle, jump rope. I could use this. And then you have Discover. You have details on your device. So you have your watch fit here. You have your different watch faces, health monitoring settings. You also have music, notification settings. So yes, you can like edit which apps give you notifications on your wrist. And yeah, that's basically it for the app. Now let's do a quick watch tour. Swipe down, you get your different settings. Swipe up, you have notifications. To the right, you have heart rate. I think this is SpO2, and then you have weather, call records. Whoa, what is this? Is this like menstrual cycle, or is it like just the moon? Interesting. Lunar cycle. Activity records, and then on the other side you have sort of this like quick look. When we press the button, what do we get? Oh, your different like apps and widgets, settings down here. As you can see, this runs on Harmony OS, and this interface design so you could easily navigate on this wearable. Right, so in terms of smart features, this thing can answer and take calls.
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
There's also quick chat reply. And for those who like their music on the go, there's offline music playback. In terms of health tracking, this thing counts steps, your activity, your heart rate, all-day SpO2 levels. A very important feature in today's time. It also monitors your stress levels, your sleep, and menstrual tracking. Now, if you're the type of person like me who sort of forgets to do anything when she's sitting down on the desk and working, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 has drink, sleep, and workout reminders. Yes, it's a watch that actually guilts you into moving more. There are also a lot of workout modes on this, 97 to be precise. And for the runners, there's built-in GPS on this thing. For running, walking, the elliptical machine, and the rowing machine, there's also automatic workout detection. What's pretty interesting to me, because I've been trying to get into running, is that there's an AI running coach. And looking at health holistically, there's healthy living management on this watch. So the Huawei Watch Fit 2 has been on my wrist for around a week or so, and battery has lasted me more or less 6 days. Again, take note that this will vary depending on your use cases, but I will say that Huawei has consistently showed up in terms of battery performance with their wearables. So I'm actually not surprised about how well this watch did in terms of battery runtime. In terms of charging, the Watch Fit 2 went from 0 to 99% in 15 minutes, which is great because I like topping up my watches when I'm showering and getting ready. Perfect for people who always want their wearables on their wrists. Right, final impressions. First off, this is a great looking wearable. That says a lot of me because, again, you'd always want wearables to be on your wrist all the time, and so it matters that they look good on your wrist. Secondly, battery life is good. I can tell you now that that's a good runtime compared to other smartwatches in the market. And every time I look at a wearable, I look at it in terms of the spectrum of fitness tracker and smartwatch. I'd say that this thing is in the middle of that spectrum. It has great health tracking capabilities, but it also has smartwatch capabilities, and it looks the part of a good-looking smartwatch. Of course, it's just my first look at the Huawei Watch Fit 2. Let me know if you want me to test this watch out further. Before I wrap up this video, a quick shout out to Huawei for making this video happen. That's it for today. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.